In this video, I will show you how to add button in Odoo website. In order to add a button right here, what we can do is we can click onto this edit option that we can see on the upper right screen, and it should be able to actually show us and here the blocks right there. So what we can do is we can just head over and then find in here a part wherein you want to add a button. For example, let's add it right around here. Now let's head over and find the bottom text. Just go over to the inner content and we have in here our button. Just head over and then drag it until you can just drag it or put it right around here. Now we have the button right there. So what we can do is we can click on it right here, and then we have the customization. So for this one, just head over and scroll down and you can edit it according to your liking and here as well. Now you can change up what it says. For example, let's put in here shop, or in here you can change up what's actually written into this particular URL that we have right here. So you can change that up if you want and input right here the link that it will actually go into, as well as the label right here. And in here you can see that it changes. So you can also change the color of that depending on what you like. Head over and click on save in order to save all the changes that you have just made.